welcome to Axis Bank Splash Season 10 in partnership with Mirchi, a celebration of India's future artists where we reimagine, repurpose and reinvent, जहां हमारी कोशिश बस यही है कि किस तरीके से हम अपने एनवायरनमेंट को बचा सकते हैं। आज का एपिसोड इज फोकस्ड ऑन 4 माइंड ब्लोइंग बर्निंग राइटर्स और आज इन राइटर्स की टैलेंट को मिलेगा एक एक्स्ट्रा बूस्ट थैंक्स टू आवर मेंटर्स। Come, let's meet the mentors. पेश है हमारे तड़कते भड़कते आर्ट मेंटोर, the artist behind some of our most favorite comic character, the amazing Vineet Nair from our चित्रकथा। और अब मिलते हैं हमारे अगले मेंटोर से जो कि आते हैं क्राफ्ट के फील्ड से। We have one of the most inventive toy makers in the country, Tanmay Kupekar. And now for the most important mentor for the day, the creative guru, the ideal woman and the extraordinary writer, मिलिए संगीता नायर से।
Hi.
अब बारी है हमारे लिटिल मास्टर्स की, स्टार्टिंग विद एज ग्रुप ऑफ 7 to 10। सबसे पहले हम बुलाना चाहेंगे आराही पिल्लई को।
I've been writing for 2 years. Till now I've written some stories and a few poems. I first wrote a story. It was about a magic tree and a brother and a sister who find it.
एंड जॉइनिंग आराही हमारे साथ हमारी अगली सुपरस्टार हैं। चलिए मिलते हैं इश्वी रोज धीरज से। हाय इश्वी।
I do help my friends in school for literature because whenever they have doubts, if I know the answers to that, I clear the doubts for them and I also motivate them.
Are you guys ready?
Yes. Yes.
अब जो मैं यहाँ पे कुछ एक्टिंग करूंगी, आपको उसको गेस करना है।
Okay. Tiger.
Not bad.
Bird. Butterfly.
Very nice.
Gorilla.
वाओ सुपर। जैसे कि आपने एनिमल्स जो है वो गेस कर ही लिए हैं, अब आपको अपना इमेजिनरी एनिमल जो है वो क्रिएट करना है विद सम सुपर पावर बाय यूजिंग 3 डिफरेंट एनिमल्स टू सेव द एनवायरनमेंट। ठीक है।
First I thought it was a bit difficult for me, but when I understand what the topic was, it was easy for me.
So before you both start scribbling, आपको 5 मिनट मिलेंगे संगीता के साथ ताकि आप अपने टॉपिक को बड़े अच्छे से समझ पाओ और चीजें और आसान हो पाए। संगीता।
Yes. Tell me about your story.
My story is about a butterfly named Pearl
Okay.
who loses her home because humans cut down her whole forest and she wants to do something to save the environment.
Right.
So she goes to a sorceress and then the sorceress brews a magic potion for her which turns her into something amazing that will help to save the environment.
Wow, that's very interesting. You know, the topic says that you need to bring in the powers of 3 animals.
Yes.
Right? And then create a superpower out of it.
Yes.
You have to bring Pearl into life for me. You should be able to close your eyes and see that character in your mind's eye. Yeah? You can do that for me?
Yes.
So are you good to go? Yes, my dear. What is your story?
Rather than animals, I love girl characters more. So I wanted to have a girl character in my story.
Interesting.
So I wanted to give her the name Emilio.
Tell me all about Emilio.
Emilio has the powers of 3 animals. They are a dragon, a lion and a dog.
Wow. Okay, sounds interesting. Bring Emilio to life.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
And also focus on how and where Emilio is going to do these things, right? Because
Okay.
your animal is going to go burn plastic, which means it has to be in a city, you know?
Yeah.
And if it's going to actually protect the forest, it has to be in the forest. So how will you do that transition between various places? Cool?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Go ahead.
So kids, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
तो आपके ठीक सामने ये है बजर, यू हैव टू प्रेस और फिर दिल से ओपन हेल्पलाइन खुल जाएगा और हमारी संगीता आपके पास आएगी आपकी मदद करने के लिए। एंड नाउ किड्स, अब यहाँ से आपके पास है 1 hour एंड योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ।
What will happen next? How should I frame the sentence? And how can the adventure continue?
मैंने एक छोटी सी चक्कर लगाई to just see how Pearl and Emilio are shaping up और इतनी तेजी से लिख रहे दोनों के दोनों. The pencil is like flying furiously on the paper. I can't wait for the final paper to come out और मैं उसको पढूं और समझूं कि Pearl और Emilio क्या कर रहे हैं.
ईश्वी ने यहाँ पे दिल से ओपन हेल्पलाइन को प्रेस कर दिया है और मैं देख सकती हूँ कि संगीता समझ चुकी है. यहाँ पर आना पड़ेगा.
When I pressed the Dil Se Open buzzer, I pressed it so that the mentors could help me with my doubts. So I'm having 3 animals for superpowers. So I don't know how all the powers together into the story. So can you help me?
Sure. So while your animal has a combination of all the 3 superpowers, remember you can't have 3-4 things in a story, all right? So in those 3 superpowers that you've got, you have to decide which is that one superpower जो कि सबसे important है, okay? Have I answered your question?
Yes.
Yeah, focus. Right, cool.
संगीता, आई कैन सी तन्मय कुछ तो कर रहे हैं. क्या कर रहा है?
वेट फॉर इट. मैं दिखाऊंगा जब हो जाएगा, है ना.
तो मेंटर्स की ना अपनी यहाँ पे क्लास चल रही है, उनकी अपनी मस्ती चल रही है, जहाँ हमारे किड्स जो हैं वो बिजी हैं अपनी कहानी में.
I go. Yes. Hi.
I was having confusion like how should I build this character? Like what should I write about her? So that's why I pressed the buzzer.
Every movie has a hero.
Yes.
Right? There's one person who's a central character in the movie, and everything that happens around this character.
Yes.
Right? So in your story, who is the central character?
Pearl.
Right. So you have to write and develop everything around Pearl. Is there anything else I can help you with? No. Cool. All the best. Go on.
अब हमारे पास आखिरी के 10 सेकंड बाकी हैं. लेट्स गो. 10
9
8
7 6 5 4 3 2 1.
So now first I request Ishvi, please come here.
Environment Guard. A young girl named Haley was going on vacations with her family. On the way, she saw garbage thrown on the roadside, which caused a dirty smell. Ew. She also had trouble in breathing because of air pollution. So she reached the beach with excitement. But the beachside had filled with litter. Poor Haley. She was so excited. Then, with disappointment, she went back home and lay down on the bed, dejected. Then the next morning, she woke up and saw something. Haley screamed and got super scared. It approached her and said, "Don't worry, I'm your friend. I'm Emilio. I was watching you yesterday. Why do you look so sad?" Haley told her what had happened yesterday. So Emilio told her, "I actually have 3 magical powers of a dragon, a lioness, and a dog. Come, let's play. Let's have fun. Come on, hop on me. I'll transform into a dragon and let's fly." They went out and cleaned all the roads. Haley couldn't control her excitement. Then she transformed into a lioness and took her to the jungle to see how cool the jungle was. The air, the trees were so cool. "I like it here," said Haley. "Why don't you transform into a dog and live with me so we can both save the environment?" Haley was happy because Emilio agreed to stay. And when she heard a bark, she woke up. She searched for Emilio everywhere. No luck. Dream. It was a dream. She looked back at her thoughts and dreams and realized we should save the environment on our own. If we wish to have clean and green environment, we should make it possible. Everyone has an Emilio inside. We should let her out to protect the environment. We should be like Emilio.
Wow, that was fantastic. Well done. What a lovely story.
Thanks.
Let me give you a hug. To Emilio inside each one of us. Can you beat that?
Exactly.
It's an amazing thought. It's a story that I think everyone can
definitely. Wonderful.
identify with, and the fact that you ended it as a dream with a very important message that saving the environment is something that each one of us should do. Very well done. Very well done.
Thanks.
And तन्मय आप कुछ बना रहे थे.
I made two characters, right?
Yeah.
Both are animals with superpowers. But since you said you like girl characters more, one of them is a girl. And why don't you take this?
While I was writing my story, Tanman sir had made it for me, and this is the origami figure. And after narrating my story, he gave it to me as a gift.
Please welcome Arehi.
Pearl, the mystical adventure. Once there lived a lively, energetic, and beautiful butterfly named Pearl. Pearl had wings with bright and vivid colors, which had mesmerizing patterns. One day, Pearl was returning home with food. She saw that her beloved forest had disappeared. The next morning, she began her journey to Natasha, the sorceress. Pearl whispered something in Natasha's ear. Natasha said, "In order to do this, I need the essence of oak." Pearl set out the next morning. She found the oak tree and flew back to Natasha with the essence of oak. Natasha brewed the potion and Pearl drank it. All of a sudden, Pearl got the body of a mole. The next moment, she got the face of a cat with hazel eyes. Out of nowhere, she got the trunk of an elephant, which was bright and colorful. And Pearl kept her wings all the same, but much larger. Pearl used her paws of a mole to take waste out of the soil. Pearl used her wings to fly and water all the trees and plants using her newly acquired trunk. Pearl used her night vision super sight to find people who were harming the environment and educated them why it was wrong to do so. So, if you're doing something harmful to the environment, don't be surprised to see Pearl at your bedside.
Very nice. That was super. Very, very well done, both of you. It was a fantastic performance, and within 1 hour,
Oh my God.
I don't think any of us could have been able to write something like this, like really write something so fantastic, okay?
Thank you so much, Sangeeta. Vineet, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
I would like to design the character Pearl, then make a comic out of the story.
Since we are in the digital age, तो हम समय कम लेंगे और जो प्राइस मनी है वो आपके अकाउंट में पहुंचेगा सीधे. So I will start with Arehi. You will get 1 lakh rupees. And now, Ishvi, so you will get 50,000 rupees. Thank you so much, Ishvi and Arehi, हमें join करने के लिए, and all the best.
Thank you.
It's time to meet our super talents from the age group of 11 to 14. Presenting the finalists of our literature contest, starting with Sharanya Ray.
The first time I wrote something was a poem which I had wrote about child marriage. I started practicing calligraphy. It was a really like shocking experience for me because I never thought that I'll be able to like present such a beautiful form of art in like it's such a short span of time.
Welcome to the show. और शरण्या को join कर रही हैं जी होशिका.
When I was at a very young age, I used to scribble on walls and my mother used to scold me. I like to dance and run apart from writing.
Show होशिका, please. So kids, अब मैं यहाँ पर थोड़ी सी एक्टिंग करने वाली हूँ. उस एक्टिंग से आपको पता करना है कि आज आपका थीम क्या होने वाला है. Are you guys ready?
Yes. The pollution of the city.
Correct.
Gadget.
Superb! That's the right answer. तो आपने सही तरीके से वर्ड जो है वो गैस कर लिया है गैजेट, बट यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा ट्विस्ट है, इन्वेंट अ डिवाइस टू कॉम्बैट पोल्यूशन। और यहाँ मैं आपको बता दूँ कि आपकी हेल्प करने के लिए हमारी लिटरेचर मेंटोर संगीता हैं जो आपकी हेल्प करेंगी।
Hi.
So tell me, what is your idea today?
So the name of my app will be Banolution, which
Banolution,
is in
okay.
short for banning pollution.
Okay.
It is targeting the students of primary and secondary classes who will be offered courses based on various types of pollution and how to stop them. We'll also have badges according to the completion levels. Then they'll be given exclusive access to an app.
So my only point to you is that you have a very interesting idea. You're combining too many things into this right now.
Yes.
So just stay focused. In this entire story, the most important thing that you've created is the app. So now I would like you to build on that Banolution app.
Yes.
Okay? Tell us more about it. तो आप हमें अपना आइडिया बताएं.
My idea is about a vacuum turbine cleaner which can clean the polluted air and convert it into clean air.
Okay.
And it not only can increase the oxygen level but can also produce electricity.
So if there's a way by which you can make this idea a little bit more simplified version of it and bring it into the cities where a lot of people can use it, then it becomes a much more useful gadget. Yeah? So I want you to just think about these two things.
Okay, ma'am.
Done?
When I started to discuss my ideas with Sangeeta ma'am, I was very nervous and I thought that she will not be impressed.
Are we ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. And your time starts now.
So this is a little different from the 7 to 10 group because the topic given to them is a more practical topic, and it is a little techy. Both the ideas have got potential in it. Both are practical, can be done. Therefore, that makes it that much more easier to weave a story around it.
ओके, सो यहाँ पे होशिका ने दिल से ओपन हेल्पलाइन को प्रेस कर लिया है और हमारी मेंटर संगीता उनके पास आते हुए उनके डाउट को क्लियर करने के लिए.
I was unable to name my device, so I pressed the Dil Se Open buzzer.
Your entire gadget is based on the principle of a turbine,
Yeah.
right? And this is a magical turbine, है ना? Because this turbine can clear and purify the air. तो magic है उसमें. What if we combine turbine plus magic and make it turbo magic?
Yeah.
Yeah? Shall we ask Tanmay to create a nice logo for Turbo Magic? So Tanmay, Turbo Magic.
Sure.
ऑलराइट, सो शरण्य ने दिल से ओपन हेल्पलाइन प्रेस फाइनली कर दी है.
I am talking Banolution app, other one like
Which one? There's only one app. The
after
Banolution
green
app.
ambassadors they get.
They get the Banolution app,
No,
right?
Banolution is the main website.
So you're naming the website as the
Banolution.
Okay.
And the
So why would you create two names? Because it is very difficult to establish a particular brand. So if this entire concept is called Banolution, then it has a website and it has an app. I think this entire thing needs to have just one brand name. Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, no problem?
Yes.
Go ahead. Now finish quickly. And Vineet, please take a colored paper and help my friend here with a nice funky logo for Banolution.
I did press the buzzer. Sangeeta ma'am is like an epitome of creativity, and like she has tons of ideas which I really loved.
While there was 15 minutes left, I felt that I was running with shortage of time because at that time I was starting the last paragraph.
चलो चलो राइटर्स, यहाँ से सिर्फ आखिरी के वो 10 सेकेंड्स.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
2, 1. Time's up. And now it's the time to hear your masterpiece. And now I will start with Hoshika. Hoshika, are you ready?
Yes.
Please come.
Last year, I went to my cousin Nina's house in New Delhi. Nina and I loved to go out with both my and her parents, but this time we were not allowed to go out, and even my uncle started to work from home. The pollution level was more in New Delhi as the people used more vehicles. I felt sad and worried to hear this. I wanted to do something regarding this. So I went to my uncle's laboratory for help. He told me, why don't you make a device which can help you save the environment? I got an idea of making a vacuum turbine filter which takes in the polluted air, filters and purifies it and gives out oxygen. This device is not only able to purify the air but also it can produce electricity. I have named this device as Turbo Magic. I made it smaller and placed it in the backyard, terrace and the balcony of the house. I wish that rather than using all these devices, people realize the importance of Mother Earth. Go green, save environment.
So संगीता, क्या इनके स्टोरी में वो मैजिक था?
Congratulations. Very nice. So it's an interesting gadget that she's come up with.
Yes.
And she's also managed to think about how we can implement this in every single household. So the entire concept of Turbo Magic was a nice one. And well done.
Tanmay, what do you think about Hoshika's story?
The way you narrated a problem that actually exists and weaving a fictional story around it and putting it out, I think it was fantastic.
मेंटोर संगीता ने आपको एक टास्क दिया था, फॉर अ स्पेसिफिक लोगो होशिका के टर्बो मैजिक के लिए, एंड आई होप कि वो डिज़ाइन हो गया. कैन यू प्रेजेंट अस?
तो हमने बनाए यहाँ पे टर्बाइंस, बट टर्बाइन दिखाते वक्त इफ़ यू वांट टू मेक अ लोगो इट हैज़ टू बी ब्यूटिफुल ताकि लोग अट्रैक्ट हो. सो वी कैन हैव एलिमेंट्स लाइक अ लीफ दैट शोज क्लीन एनर्जी.
Wow.
Yeah, you can keep this with you.
I'm very thankful for giving me this. It is a very beautiful memory of Axis Bank Splash.
ना होशिका के बाद हम अब शारण्य की कहानी सुनना चाहते हैं. शारण्य, प्लीज.
Banallution, the power to save Earth. Pollution is a menacing evil that walks around the Earth, and it is of paramount importance that we ban or minimize it. It is the responsibility of our generation to eradicate and ban it for a healthy and sustainable life. For this, I would like to bring technology to the rescue. The app I will be making is called Banallution, in short for banning pollution. In this app, which is PC and mobile based, I would offer courses to primary and secondary students, our target audience, using concept of gamification. This will also focus on each student's learning style to drive the point inside the student's mind. The comprehensiveness shall not depend on levels, but on age groups. Depending on the completion levels, badges will be provided to students as incentives. They start from Green Protector, Green Savior to Green Ambassador. It uses geotagging photo facility. The students will click a photo of a polluted area which will be sent automatically to the local municipality who will come and clean the polluted area. The more the photos are submitted, there will be more points. The students who get the highest points will go to the Hall of Fame Earth Ambassadors. In conclusion, as we know, prevention is better than cure, because of which education of the next generation is emphasized more in this app.
Wow, that was great. And now, Sangeeta.
Good work, because I think the idea itself is simple, but a smart idea.
Yes.
And therefore, because it is simple and smart, it can be implemented. I just love the fact that something so simple can be so effective. So, very well done.
ग्रीन सर, मैं आपका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू भी ज़रूर जानना चाहती हूँ.
इनके आइडिया के लिए इनके जो ऐप है, मैं रियली विश करता हूँ वो ऐप बने. तो आपके जो ऐप के लिए वी हैड मेड अ लोगो फॉर इट.
So Vineet sir gave this to me as a logo for my brand, Banolution, which is the app which I have made. This, as you can see in this app, it shows the cross mark, like it's banning the pollution in it.
ये देखकर हैरानी भी होती है और साथ साथ में एक जिम्मेदारी भी बन जाती है कि आजकल के जो ये बच्चे हैं वो कितना बेहतर फ्यूचर हमसे ज़्यादा देख पा रहे हैं। और ये इनिशिएटिव जो है वो एक्सिस बैंक लेकर आया है। साथ ही साथ एक्सिस बैंक आपके इस टैलेंट को रिवॉर्ड करना चाहता है। सो शारण्या, आपको यहाँ मिलता है एक्सिस बैंक की तरफ से 1,00,000 रुपए। Please give a big hand for Sharanya and my little Hoshika। आपको एक्सिस बैंक की तरफ से मिलता है पूरे 50,000 रुपए, 50,000 rupees। Congratulations।
Axis Bank Splash is a great competition which helps students to improve their skills and show their talent to the world.
Thank you so much, girls। और जाने से पहले a special thanks to our sponsors. Presenting sponsor Axis Bank in partnership with Mirchi. Education partner Byju's. Toy store partner Hamleys. Learning partner Play Shifo. Intelligent reading partner IntelliJelly. Gifting partner Tinkle. Entertainment partner Inox. Promotion partner No Brokerhood. Parenting partner Unimo. Charity partner Swadesh Foundation and knowledge partner Museum of Art and Photography.